I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 3 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts for this week is something you take on a picnic. We've got this blanket, an image from a magazine, and this image came from a magazine. Text other than English or your native language. I've got this Roma, and I couldn't tell you what that says. Something torn. I've got this little piece of torn scrap paper, and the edge of this image is torn as well. Something you'd place on a bookshelf. I've got magazines, and these also came from a magazine. And the bonus is something found in a school bag, and I've got snacks, pistachios. So I hope everybody's doing great. I'm doing good. Without further ado, let's get started. All right, so I am going to start by putting this down. We are expecting some very, very cold weather. We may get snow tomorrow. I know we're supposed to get a wintry mix on Monday. And we're supposed to be down in the single digits. So I am not looking forward to that. It is just, I don't do cold very well. And we are not equipped for it in the South. Okay, I've got that down, and I think I'm just going to cover this up like that. I got my pistachios. It'll be a very big bag for them. And I don't mind that little frog there, so I'm just going to leave it. And I'm just going to cover up the other words right there with this scrap of paper. Okay. Now I'm going to have them reading a magazine, and I've already put some slits under their finger. She's got that leg up, so I don't think she's going to be leaning that on her knee, reading that old Life magazine. And the same with this one. I got her thumb up. So I think we're going to tuck that in there like that. And I will put glue down for her thumb. So there we go with that. And I am going to put this up here. And let me see, I have another. Of course, it's missing now. Ah, see it. Got my little airplane, and it looks like it's pulling one of those signs. And let's see here. There we go. And I think we'll just kind of and I think that looks pretty good. This one was definitely very short and sweet. I may just have to let you watch me ink and all of that, because I'd already inked around a lot of the stuff. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's see what we've got. We have got something you take on a picnic. I've got blanket, image from a magazine. This came from a magazine, and these came from a magazine. Text other than English or your native language. We've got this right here. Something torn. This piece is torn, and I tore around the edges of this image here. Something you place on a bookshelf. We've got magazines. And bonus, something found in a school bag. And I've got pistachios, snacks. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. If you haven't, ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful week. And be sure and keep warm. Take care of yourselves. And until next time, bye y'all.